Do wada 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 do wada wada. Well, rising to the surface took a long, long time. 18,000 feet is quite a climb.
Dive into the magic of Hawaii's rainforest with a free all-ages adventure. Join Dina and Loren for 1 hour of music, stories, and native plant discoveries. It's education wrapped in island fun.
I'm Dina.
Hi, Dina.
Loren.
Loren, what's your name?
Pablo.
Pablo.
Yeah.
Hi, Pablo.
Hi.
I'm Christina. Hi, Christina. I didn't bring his belt.
Before we begin, it's protocol kind of polite to ask permission to enter the forest, ask permission of the forest. So we'll just do a little chant here to kind of say our aloha. Aloha kaina o Niaulani, me ka wahine la ala, e o mai, e ho'o malu mai e o mai, e ho'o malu mai e o mai, e o mai, e o mai. Now the Art Center is the caretaker for this piece of land. And so we've been working in here for, I'm going to say 30 years approximately, to get rid of the alien species and to restore the native flora. Wait, Dina. First we're going to look at, I bet you know. I bet you know all about the native. I mean, you grew up around here.
Kind of.
So, ohia,
Yep.
ohia lehua, and sometimes the
Don't get
blossom.
this fig very often.
Yeah, right, huh? And that piece that fell,
Yeah.
that fell off of this tree. Oh gosh, probably 25 years ago, 30 maybe. I don't know, 25. But yeah, it's been a big tree. And you've seen the yellow blossoms sometimes, and the usually the red. Let's do our ohia song. So kind of have to have the words sometimes because I forget.
That's okay. I got you.
What is this tree that grows? First one on new lava flows. Mauka ikavao kele, I see this tree at Niaulani. Blossom with stamen red, up, up, up above my head. Alehu, I see this tree of old Hawaii. Ohia, ohia, ohia lehua, ohia, ohia, ohia lehua. That's good.
Nice. We can do it. We can do it.
Come on in. So how are you? You know about plate tectonics?
Yes.
We're on the hot spot of the Pacific.
Right here.
Here we
Hang
are.
on tight. She's talking today. She's been talking all week.
Yeah, she has. Have you heard today? Is anything?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, it's been quite a few earthquakes lately.
Yes, there has.
Yeah.
So excited.
I had a dream of one the other day. It's ready.
All right. I know everyone's getting anxious to see some lava.
So this is kind of the story of plate tectonics and the geology of our island in one fell swoop.
and it's got
Oh yeah, there's
Group.
a sing-along part.
Great.
you got
So
it.
your part is do wada 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 do wada wah. Do wada 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 do wada wah. Try it with us. Do wada 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 do wada wah. Do wada 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 do wada wah. Okay, we'll let you know when we come in. We're way down on the bottom lava came a-rumbling and began to pour. Soon a little mountain started to grow from the cooling magma of the lava flow. No one knew the story except the fish in the sea, but the island of Hawaii was gonna be rock. Hey, I know, that's rock, ho, ha, nui, no, not rock, ho, ha, and the hard rock, ho, ha, nui, no. Now everybody knows that in the beginning was rock. Hey, I know, yeah. We go do wada wada wada, do wada wada, do wada wada wada, do it again. Do wada wada wada, do wada wada, do wada wada wada, do wada wada. Well, rising to the surface took a long, long time. 18,000 feet is quite a lava kept a flowing and it wouldn't stop. Cause Hawaii is a sitting on the hot spot. Higher and higher grew the volcano. Way up on top there was nothing but snow-covered rock. Hey, I know, ho'iya, that's rock, haku, nui, no. Rock, haku, in the hard rock, haku, nui, no. Now everybody knows that in the beginning was rock. Hello, hanaya. Do wada wada wada, do wada wada, do wada wada wada, do once more. Do wada wada wada, do wada wada, do wada wada wada, do wada wada. Well, then some seeds are floating in the air. Found a brand new place to live with room to spare. Little tiny spores arrived upon the breeze, landed and they grew into the big fir trees. The forest of Hawaii grew and grew. Underneath it all those plants they knew there was rock. Hey, I know, ho'iya, that's rock, ho, haku, nui, no. Hot rock, ho, haku, and the hot rock, ho, haku, nui, no. Now everybody knows that in the beginning there was rock.
Epic.
That was good. That was good. So my son is named Kekuawela. And Kekuawela is the hot back. Was the lava was pushing up through the ocean floor. It arched like a dinosaur back. And that's my child's name.
John? No, her mom.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Johnny. Yes.
Let's do Nana Nurse Log.
Okay, nurse log.
Okay.
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 Well, let's see the birds here. So birds. The most common bird that we'll see in our forest here is the apapani bird.
Okay.
So the
I wouldn't have known
apapani, mostly red body, black wings, and it's got this little white patch on the bottom. It looks like it's wearing a diaper. Another way you can tell, if you're in the forest and it takes off and it's near you, its wings go.
Yeah.
Right. Hey, apapani kela, maluna mao, ke kaunei, ke kumu, amu kiki, kamanu mao, no kamale hua momona, no kamale hua momona. Apapani bird, black, white, and red, tell me what you eat. I see you there up in a tree, tasting something sweet. Kamale hua momona, she sings with a whistle and trill. She enjoys a rainy shower. It's nectar you see from the ohia tree. She sips from lehua flower. She sips from lehua flower. That's good.
When I was in high school, I got to work for Youth Conservation Corps.
Oh, wow. YCC.
Yeah, and we spent a lot of time up there. That was a great experience. My daughter did that.
This is one of our nurse logs. So nurse logs are really important in our forest because, so what does a plant need to grow? 3 things a plant needs to grow.
Sunlight and
water, sunlight, and we'll call it nutrients
Okay.
because they're both from the air and from the soil. Okay, so nutrients not a problem. We have quite a lot of stuff on the ground and of course from the air too. Nutrients not a problem, and water not a big problem. We get 130 inches of rain a year, so that's not a problem. But sunlight, however, is a problem. Even though the sunlight is up there, it doesn't get all the way down to the forest floor because of the subcanopy of, in this case, we have a lot of tree ferns. So many of our native Hawaiian plants have the ability to get started small and hang out a long time until there's an opening in the forest somehow, and then they can really sprout up and grow. Na nurse log sleeps all day beneath tall branches crossed. Mama ki o ia o lapa o hello. Grow up from her coat of soft moss. Grow up from her coat of soft moss. Nurse log on the ground, baby trees in her green gown. Nurse log on the ground, baby trees all around. Na nurse log sleeps all day beneath all branches crossed. Mama ki o ia o lapa o hello. Yes. Grow up from her coat of soft moss. Grow up from her coat of soft moss. Yay! Down to the ground, growing aerial roots. So that's what happened, and so that has continued to grow. Those are the roots of the secondary tree, and then on top of that, other seedlings came and got started. So now we have this little condominium complex.
Oh, is this the scary part?
Yeah, it is. This is it. This is the scary one. This is it.
If you live around here, you should be scared because they're coming for your yard.
This bit is about the alien species in our forest. And we should say that in their home of origin, those alien species are not necessarily aggressive or bad or trying to take over. But when they come to Hawaii and they don't have a lot of competition, they can just boing. They can be very pushy, lots of rapid growth, very
Prolific to a fault.
yes. I can't play this riff very well. They're attacking now. These alien plants with seeds in your shoes are stuck to your pants. Kill the natives, but don't make a fuss because they like it when there's no one here, just us aliens. We're bad.
Evil laugh, yes.
Evil laugh. Wild ginger growing everywhere, rooting in the ground and fragrance in the air. Oh, we do look lovely, but native plants beware. We'll push out the other species because we don't care. We're bad. Tibucina, such pretty purple flowers. But getting rid of us will take you hours and hours. And just when you think that you're finally pow, turn around and look, we're surrounding you again now because we're bad. Fast growing, we're bad. Koki, we're deafening. Don't you agree? One voice to start, then two, then three. We multiply exponentially.
shooting where we please, knocking down the natives and knocking down the trees, spreading bird malaria when we succeed, 'cause we're bad. Check us out. We're bad. Cute but the little ones, but no. We're encroaching now, aliens all, some teensy tiny and some of us all, but there's one thing we all have in mind. We're prolific and multiply our own kind, 'cause we're bad. Bad for the forest, bad for this native forest land.
Yeah, I didn't send out a tag this time.
And I don't know how I found it. I was playing on the website.
EA is a very nice kind of special plant. Are you familiar with EA? It's a vine like this. It grows up, and if you see it growing out of the ground, it's very special. It's pig ice cream. Pigs love it. They will chomp and stomp that to death. So frequently you'll see it up in the tree. There's another branch of it away over here out of the tree. So that's its growth form. Its roots were used for, they're very strong for cordage. These are very small.
I've seen it, but not growing.
Yeah. It's famous for its cordage.
Yeah.
That would be very exciting.
And you can't grow them in a hothouse away from all this. They don't do their own thing.
Yeah, I don't know. So let's look here at our mintless mint. So because the ancestral species, I'm not sure. Ancestral species for many of our Hawaiian plants came from elsewhere, and they needed defense mechanisms where they came from. But when they got here to Hawaii, they didn't have a lot of chompers and stompers.
Right.
A lot of those grazing animals. So we ended up with mintless mints, briarless briars, and nettleless nettles. Their ancestors had those defense mechanisms, but the plants here, they evolved away from them. This is our mintless mint. You can feel its square stem.
Did you weave your ukulele? Oh, okay.
There is a place where raindrops fall from sky that's thick and cold, and all is green and seldom seen neath Ohia growing old. There is a place of tree ferns tall, hapu thick and strong. Oma'o sit as they twit and sing a rainforest song. Ukulele, rainforest home. Ukulele, ma'aina ulupehi no. Now paka kuahibi in the mist near Olapa tree. Alapalai hugs the earth with a calling.
no ka aina. Ke kuno ki e, ki kaika no. Your beauty, your strength,
I can
all here in Niaulani, Aloha no.
Join us for the next Sounds of Niaulani on July 20th at 9:30 inside Volcano Village at our location there. This is a special tour and I hope to see you there. Check our calendar as well for future events, volcanoartcenter.org. Thank you for watching. Aloha.